Mayonnaise. This is how I make my scrambled eggs all the time. Mayonnaise. I know, strange. Mayonnaise actually originated with Best Foods back in the 70s. Best Foods is Hellman's. And we're going to cook some eggs today, some scrambled eggs, but we're going to do it a little bit differently with the mayonnaise. It makes it really rich and tender, and we're going to go old school chef style. So I'm preheating the pan to a medium-low heat. The recipe for this is below in the comments. So this is one serving actually. So 2 eggs. And for the eggs, what I like to do is bring them out ahead of time, some nice fresh eggs, and let them come up to room temperature before you cook them. So 2 eggs, and now I've got some mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Again, we double this if you're going to cook for a couple of people. Fresh grind of Himalayan salt. And a pinch of fresh cracked pepper. We're just going to whisk that up. There, that's nicely blended. 1 tablespoon of butter. This is about the only way that I make my scrambled eggs now, with the mayonnaise in it. There, the pan's nicely coated. This is my egg pan, right? And it's just for eggs. So I'm going to put this mixture in. Mayonnaise is all well blended in there. Now the secret to this is don't stop stirring. The medium-low heat is the proper way to do it. They're going to be nice and fluffy and silky smooth, but the mayonnaise adds a really nice flavor to it. Just keep on stirring, it'll come. We're going to go until we get a slight sheen, and then we'll pull it off the heat and continue to stir. There, you can see how that's starting to set up. So I'm going to take this off the heat now and continue to stir. It'll still continue to cook in the pan. There, I like that. See what that looks like. And you can put the protein of your choice beside that. A little fresh cracked pepper. A little garnish on the side. There you go. There's mayonnaise. Thanks for watching.